Hi, my name is Patrick Hershey, owner of Infinity Wood Interiors, and today we're going to demonstrate assembly of the hanging wall curio. This one's a 4-foot long one, and I also make a 2-foot one. A little time on the video. All the parts are numbered and pre-drilled, so it goes together pretty easy. This one right here is marked bottom left. This is our bottom. It goes here. It'll line up even with this right here. All the screws should go in really easy. If they don't, they're not lined up proper. I'm putting these together today with a drill. This drill is a variable speed, but it also has a speed control on it. If you don't have a drill with a speed control, I recommend using a screwdriver. They're not real hard to put in, but if you use a drill with too much torque, you could break the screws. Now here's our right side. It's labeled top right here, bottom right here. Again, we lined it up right here. Hold it flush a little bit. We don't want to screw those in too hard and snap the screws. Put this in. Make sure this is pulled over on the bottom. And like I said, with them being pre-drilled, they go right into where they're supposed to be. So since this one is a 4-foot model, it has a centerpiece here, and labeled again, TC for bottom center, TC for top center. And it, again, goes in here. It has a notch cut out here, and it'll just hold up there flush with that. You want to check these on the inside right here and make sure they're flat and pulled up all the way. Hold it here a little bit, it'll help. Now we're going to put the top on. It'll go on the same way as the bottom. Oh. Strike that. This one gets the wood back. These are labeled also. The top and the left. The left is considered facing it. Let's see, that means this one was up here. You might have to move this a little bit so it'll slide in there. This is the top right side here. Top. This will be our right. And then that one's in. Now we set our top up here. This wire needs to be on here, on this one right here, before you assemble it. go. And again, we line this up right here. Make sure that that pulls up all the way. Pull this in. Pull that up tight. We have 3 screws on each end and 2 in the center. This one's not pulled up quite all the way, but it should come up whenever we screw it in here. This is why I don't recommend a plain variable speed drift. There we go. That one's good. Now we just have 3 screws to go here. Make sure this is pulled up there. Might need to squeeze this a little bit. There we go, that one pulled up. And there goes that one. And finally, we'll put the center one in. This is a complete assembly of the hanging Curio. This is after the back's in, we need to put these last few screws in on the side right here to sturdy up the frame. Here we have the hanging Curio on the wall. We've already mounted the board here. The pointed side of this board goes up and out. A couple of 3.5-inch drywall screws to do for mounting this to the wall there for the 2-foot one. For the 4-foot one, I'd use a couple of lag bolts. I allowed enough room back here for those so they don't have to be countersunk. Just level that out first, then hang the Curio. And the next thing you'll need to do here is check your door template. Before you attach those corbels down on the bottom, you want to make sure this is square here on both sides, and then you can attach your corbels to the wall. If they need shimmed out any, go ahead and shim them out before you screw it, because you don't want to twist your cabinet. Then check these templates here, your side glass on both sides, and your glass shelves. Check them in the center, bottom, the center, and the top. And plug your lights in here and turn it on. Order your glass after you've checked everything, and your Curio is pretty much ready to go. I make a 2-foot one like this. This one was a special order with a wood back. Normally they have a mirrored back. I'll also do custom orders for anything else that anybody would want. Just use the contact us form on my website here, and I'll be happy to get in touch with you and give you a price if you want something different than what I already offer. Thanks for your time. You all have a good day.